Washing clothes by hand is a tiring task, and if there are too many clothes, the washerman also suffers from scurvy. There are many steps involved in washing the clothes, like soaking, washing, scrubbing, and then nailing, etc., and if there is a stubborn stain, then many hours will definitely be spent on washing the clothes. But today we are going to tell you about a magical thing that will make laundry done in hours in less than half time. We are talking about white vinegar, which can solve many washing problems if used in the ways we have mentioned in washing clothes. How to make a towel soft after washing. The fibers of the towel become stiff enough after washing that it feels hard to ask to face. If after washing the towel, fill the bucket with water and mix 2 spoons of white vinegar and leave the towel in this water for 20 minutes, the towel will become soft. This method can be used to soften woolen fabrics, eliminates odors from clothes, to get rid of sweat and all kinds of unpleasant odors on clothes, even mildew. Mix 2 cups of vinegar in a bucket full of warm water and soak the clothes in the water. Check it out. Vinegar is antiseptic and also kills odor-causing bacteria. Protection of the black dress. Black clothes are often not cleaned properly after washing, leaving bits of surf or soap on them. Even washing black clothes and putting them in the sun will remove the surf stains that cling to their fiber. Hard spots. Although detergents will remove tough stains on clothes, they are quite expensive, and not everyone can afford to buy them. If a hard stain is formed on the cloth, mix 3 spoons of baking soda in half a cup of vinegar and make a thick paste, apply it on the stain and leave it for a while and wash it off.